Live frugally and save big in 2024. Live frugally and transform your financial future this year. Are you ready to embrace a lifestyle that promises financial freedom and stability? With strategic planning and savvy decision making, the middle class can thrive while living comfortably. Let's dive into practical methods to achieve significant savings in 2024. Embracing a frugal lifestyle is more than a budgeting tactic, it's an empowering mindset shift. By focusing on value, utility, and long-term benefits, you create healthier spending habits and ensure financial security. With determination, this mindset can lead to substantial financial growth and personal fulfillment. Frugality doesn't imply sacrifice. Rather, it's about prioritizing needs over wants, maximizing resources, and finding joy in simplicity. When you redefine what it means to spend wisely, you harness the power of conscious consumerism and pave the way to a more abundant future. Managing expenses strategically is the foundation of frugal living. Begin by analyzing your spending habits and identifying areas where you can cut costs. Tracking expenses can illuminate wasteful patterns and guide more informed decisions, leading to healthier financial practices. Once identified, target unnecessary expenses. By negotiating bills, canceling unused subscriptions, or opting for lower-cost alternatives, you can significantly reduce monthly spending. This effort not only minimizes strain but also increases disposable income for savings and investment opportunities. Embracing budget-friendly choices in everyday life can yield substantial savings. Consider how routine decisions, such as meal planning and transportation, impact your finances. Opt for homemade meals and public transport to substantially cut costs without compromising convenience. Additionally, take advantage of discounts, sales, and reward programs. These small changes in purchasing behavior accumulate noticeably over time, significantly boosting savings. By staying attentive and proactive, you can seamlessly integrate frugality into your daily routine. Limit shopping trips to avoid impulsive buys and reduce overall expenditure. By planning ahead, creating detailed lists, and sticking to them, you can efficiently manage purchases and resist tempting non-essentials. This discipline supports smarter spending and enhances budget control. Shopping less frequently also minimizes exposure to marketing tactics aimed at increasing spending. By limiting these influences and maintaining focus on essentials, you remain grounded in your commitment to frugality while meeting necessary needs. Home-cooked meals can be the epitome of delicious savings. Cooking at home not only lowers food expenses but also encourages healthier eating habits. By preparing meals in bulk and opting for seasonal ingredients, you ensure efficiency in time and resources spent. Explore new recipes to keep meals exciting, diverse, and enjoyable. You'll likely discover that cooking fosters creativity and satisfaction beyond the financial benefits. Over time, this practice can significantly reduce dining expenses and contribute positively to your household's budgeting efforts. Scrutinizing monthly bills can reveal opportunities for major savings. Cutting unnecessary bills begins with evaluating what services you truly need and identifying cheaper options for what remains essential. Consider alternatives such as streaming services over cable to lower entertainment costs. Don't hesitate to renegotiate existing contracts or seek promotions that reduce expenses. Utility costs, internet, and cell phone plans are often flexible, and even minor savings can have cumulative benefits. These steps improve your financial landscape without diminishing your quality of life. Living frugally necessitates maximizing value and minimizing waste in all areas. This principle applies to everything from groceries to household goods. Seek multi-purpose items and find creative ways to repurpose or elongate existing products' lifespans. Minimizing waste not only saves money but also benefits the environment, creating a positive impact beyond finances. Practice mindful consumption by considering the full life cycle and utility of every purchase, integrating sustainable habits into your daily routine. Cultivating frugality enables long-term savings investments, a crucial element of financial stability. Allocate resources towards high-interest savings accounts or investment portfolios that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. These investments secure future stability and reward prudent financial behavior. By consistently redirecting saved money into these opportunities, you build a strong financial foundation. Establishing a habit of investing rather than sporadically saving creates compounded benefits, ensuring secure growth and a robust safety net for unforeseen circumstances. Conscious spending involves making informed, intentional choices about every purchase. Before parting with your money, evaluate the necessity, quality, and longevity of each item. This evaluation reduces impulsivity and ensures alignment with long-term budget plans. Practicing conscious spending allows you to prioritize meaningful investments over fleeting desires. Remaining aligned with your financial objectives ensures efficiency and practicality, empowering you to sustain a rewarding, frugal lifestyle that evolves with your needs. Regularly reevaluating daily spending habits is pivotal for maintaining a frugally minded lifestyle. This continuous process enables adaptations to fluctuating circumstances and discovers potential new areas for improvement. An uncompromising honesty with oneself about spending habits promotes sustained financial health. Refinement over time solidifies habits into lasting behavior, embedding frugality deeply within your lifestyle. With each assessment, you strengthen your capacity to resist unnecessary expenses and reinforce your commitment to achieving financial freedom. Frugality brings financial stability and comfort without compromise to quality of life. By embracing frugal practices, middle-class families can maintain a fulfilling lifestyle and avoid stress related to financial instability. Being proactive with finances enables cultural and recreational pursuits, too. Feeling secure financially allows for the freedom to live confidently within your means. Effort invested into managing money efficiently yields the liberty to focus on family, hobbies, and personal endeavors, enhancing the overall satisfaction and quality of life. Taking charge of your financial future through frugality is an empowering step towards lasting security. With strategic planning and informed decision-making, significant savings are achievable without sacrificing comfort or happiness. Each choice redefines your relationship with money, leading to a fulfilling future. Start planning your budget today and embrace the path of frugality. By integrating these practices, you're not only saving money but also investing in a life of abundance and opportunity. Don't wait, begin your journey to financial freedom now and watch your future unfold with prosperity and stability.